Welcome to Marange. Marange is located about 60 kilometers west of Mutare in a semi-arid region with sandy soils. These sandy soils, together with poor soil fertility, poor rainfall distribution, and very high temperatures, have resulted in very poor crop production. The situation has been worsened by a high frequency of mid-season dry spells due to climate change. Because of this, households have not been able to harvest enough crops to ensure food security, which has led to a situation whereby communities are surviving on food handouts and grain distribution. However, with the use of innovative water harvesting techniques, we are improving crop production and reversing the impacts of climate change in Marange.
Right here today, I'm standing at Maocha Farm, at our on-farm research site where we are evaluating the use of the subsurface water retention technology, or SWRT. Maocha Farm is located in Mount Zonwe, Natural Region 5, where rainfall is very low and the temperatures are very high. The average rainfall in this area is 385 millimeters of rainfall per year. That rainfall is too little for dryland agricultural maize production, and as a result, most farmers in this area have abandoned growing maize.
Pakasvike Bindra University munda uyu ndakatosiyana nawo panyaya dzekurima kwechibage. Ndanda kutoona semunda ndanda kurime nyimo nenyemba ndoze ndanda kutosenzesa kurima munda upi. Saka vebhindura wauya vakauya nawo mabhodha achiti tipe munda, ndakandoti ndokuvape munda uwu ndokuona.
However, we had an initiative which started at the site in 2014, where we introduced water harvesting, different water harvesting technologies, which included the tight contour and the infiltration pits. We managed to get maize increases from as low as 0.3 tons per hectare up to 2 tons, and in some plots 3 tons per hectare. We installed our membranes in October 2019, and the results that we have been getting from the plots where we installed these membranes have been amazing.
What I can see here is the impact of the technology, where the yield is where the technology has been used. I think it's over 5 tons per hectare, which is unbelievable for this area. Naturally, this area would not grow maize.
Biribiri concept is about planting 2 rows of maize close by before the 3rd row of maize, leaving a large space where legumes can be planted. Basically, in that space you can plant 2 different legumes that have different growth patterns, and you can then maximize on the productivity of the legume because it's not being shaded too much by the maize. This concept of Mbiri started with 2 other innovations that have been developed previously. One of them is called Mbiri, where 2 rows of maize are put close together before the 3rd row of the maize. And that crop of maize produces the same as any other crop of maize with a standard spacing.
Saka nyaya iri panapa ndeyekuti tinoda kuti pamusha increase food security and the crop diversity. Anditika nenutrition, anditika. Saka tine nyemba dzedu, tine nzungu, tine chibage mumunda 1.
Tichishandisa iwo matechnology atirikuudzwa ekubata mvura, tirimawo chikafu chine utano.
Our mandate is to deal with hidden hunger, and we do that through promoting the production and consumption of nutrient-dense biofortified cereals like the orange maize that you're seeing here.
Program iyi tanga kwayo ini ndakaone pundutso yayo zvakanyanya.
chirongwa ichi kubva gore rachauya chakatibatsira zvikuru munharaunda medu.
So that system definitely works.
What it means is that with this technology, we can green the desert areas or the marginal areas and bring them back to production.